Good day to all viewers. Are there any special occasions coming? Birthdays? Just because? Or anything? Or maybe you want to buy yourself a gift. Well, just like most people here are, if you or your partner is a guitar strumming, string plucking, or hardcore shredder, we know just how to make his or her day extra special. Here are the best gifts for guitar players. Starting with number 1. Dunlop 220 chromed steel guitar slide. Who would expect this little metal tube could bring so much pleasure to a guitar player? This is worn on your fretting hand by inserting your finger and sliding up and down the fretboard. A good reference of how this is used is Justin Johnson. Man, that guy could really make his guitar sing using a guitar slide. So if you're a fan of watching Western movies, well, that might be a hint that you might like to use this guitar slide. Common tunes that you hear in a Western movie are usually played using a guitar slide. Number 2. The Adario Pro Winder String Winder. This is one awesome piece to add in your guitar stuff. This is a super convenient way to wind strings on a guitar. If you feel bad looking at how long it takes to wind a guitar string, perhaps you should buy your special someone this string winder. Makes changing strings less daunting so they could go back to playing music. Number 3. Pickmaster Plectrum Punch. I myself want one. But beware, you might find yourself missing a lot of cards. Kidding aside, this punch could make picks in a matter of seconds. You probably have seen a guitar player cutting a card using scissors. Then they are probably making a pick. So be a kind soul and gift him this instant pick maker. Number 4. Ernie Ball Musician's Tool Kit. Just like a man loves his car or motorcycle and spends all day popping the hood doing this and that, we guitar players also love to tinker with our guitars. We don't ask much. We just need a quiet time with our stringed, stress-relieving instrument and some good set of tools to get by. Number 5. Hercules GS412B Plus Auto Grip Guitar Stand. Your axe deserve to be flaunted. What better way to show off a beautiful guitar is by using a stand where it could sit comfortably. Just look at this stand. It's waiting for a guitar to calmly rest its neck and bottom. Your loved one would surely appreciate you being loving to his baby. Number 6. Fender Mustang Micro Headphone Amp. Now it's either you love the music he plays or you are in love with him no matter how awful he plays. Kidding. Well, on a more serious note, this gift will surely keep him up all night practicing without having to disturb your sleep. This is a perfect gift for someone who just can't manage a good practice schedule and wants to do it anytime as he pleases. Well, problem solved. Gift him this headphone amp and everybody's happy. Number 7. Marshall Major 4 Headphones. This headphone is a great complement to the headphone amp shown earlier. You got a Fender and Marshall device producing great music output straight to your ears and all the way to your pleasure sensors. If you are not practicing or playing your guitar, this is also a great way to just listen to your favorite artists. The signature marking of Marshall on the side also sends a hint the person wearing it rocks. Number 8. Pedal Train Classic Pro Pedal Board. Is your guy an Incubus or a Rage Against the Machine fan? Then he's probably into this. Yup, it's a bed where you lay down all the pedals or effects that you use when you play your music. This gift is perfect as it has the pedal board and the traveling case if he needs to transport his pedals going to his gig. Be a loving wife or girlfriend. Get him this pedal board and melt his heart. Number 9. G7th Performance 3 Art Capo. Just look at this capo. Isn't it a work of art? It comes in 3 different finishes. You got black, gold, and chrome. I personally like the gold finish and just appreciate it while it's clamped on the 5th fret of my acoustic guitar as I play my favorite pieces. Oh wait, this is not about me. It's about this capo that your loved one truly deserves. So get this beautifully crafted capo and put a smile on his face. Number 10. Fender Bar Stool. So for whatever occasion when your loved one wants to show off his guitar skills in front of the family, he will need his bar stool. so he does not fall down or drop his guitar and embarrass himself in front of everybody. Kidding aside, this tool is a perfect addition to anyone's man cave, so he can comfortably sit and play his guitar without the trouble of hitting his arms against anything. Plus, it's marked Fender, which makes it super cool. And lastly, but not the least, your loved one would love to get a DIY guitar kit. This is by far the most exciting gift that you could give a guitar player. A guitar kit not only bonds the guitar player and the guitar, it also allows a person to have a deeper understanding of its functionality. Building a guitar kit is a great way to spend your weekends or any of your spare time. The whole DIY journey practices your focus and patience in doing things. This gift is truly a perfect way to brighten up his birthday or any occasion. There are many beginner-friendly kits in stock in case your loved one has never built a guitar kit before. It's also not difficult to complete the build, to be honest. So, that's all for now, folks. We have brainstormed the best guitar ideas we can think of to keep that smile on your loved one's face. I hope you find this video useful. Till next time, rock on.